So for today's video, this is the Mathplus, and you can download on your Play Store. So this is how you can earn extra income from this app using your mobile phone. So download nyo lang ito, install nyo lang siya. Meron na siyang 4.8 star reviews, 38,000 reviews sa Play Store, and then meron na siyang 100,000 downloads sa Play Store. So Mathplus app. So, install nyo lang siya sa phone nyo, get started. So, welcome. So, this is my wallet. Transfer funds. Ayan. So, yun yung makikita ninyo dito when you open the app. Okay. So, new app available. So, download nyo lang. Make sure na new app yung na-download niyo. So, download now. Okay. So, let's wait for the open. So, make sure na meron kayong account dito. You can log in via your Google account or your Facebook account. So, syempre, the word Mathplus, ito yung magsasolve lang tayo ng mga math. Ayan. So, ayan. Ang gagawin lang naman natin dito is magwa-watch na muna ng video ads. Ayan. So, meron tayo. And basically, kailangan natin dito is mag-collect ng maraming tickets. So, tickets yun. Yung tickets na yun yung mayroon siyang conversion into a real cash. Okay? And then, later, papakita ko sa inyo yung paano magsagot ng mga Mathplus. So, dito muna is mag-watch lang tayo ng video ads. So, ayun yung mga ways of earning dito. So, ito na yung Mathplus. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So, yun. You are correct. So, we have here a 10 gold. You answer correctly. And 5. Ayan. So, pinalabas na advertise. So, after watching the video ads, so may X nyo lang naman siya. You are correct. Another 10 gold. Select correct option. So, piliin nyo lang yung tamang sagot. 2 plus 1. So, your answer is to collect your reward and play again. Okay. So, after watching the video ads, X nyo lang naman siya. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And then, click nyo lang yung submit. So, you are correct again. So, when you play again, kailangan mag-watch ng video ads and then X nyo lang. So, ganun lang kadali isa, guys. So, math lang siya. So, addition muna. So, after, yan, maraming lumalabas na advertise. Basically, parang nagwa-watch lang talaga tayo dito ng video ads. Pero at the same time, gumagana yung utak natin kasi nagsasolve tayo ng mga math. 2 plus 4 and equals 6. Submit. And then, X. You are correct. Your answer correct. And here is your reward for 10 gold. So, nagkaroon na tayo ng 50 gold. So, 1 ticket. And then, your tickets, so charge 1 video ads, get 3 tickets. So, makakuha tayo ng 3 tickets pala kapag nakapag-watch tayo ng video ads. So, ito may mga survey din sila dito. Ayan. So, you can, ayan, pag sumagot ka ng mga survey nila, meron tayong additional points para ayan. So, give lang natin siya ng 5 ratings para merong additional points na ibigay sa atin itong app na ito. So, ito yung account na ito. Yung bagong account ko to para sa review natin. So, hindi ko ginamit yung original account ko. So, earn money playing games. Ayan. So, this is the advertise. So, X nyo lang naman siya ulit. So, after ang cute ng mga apps. So, kung share your refer code and get 0.02 and 8 successful sign up, your friend will get a 0.1 as bonus. Everyone is benefited in this scheme. So, So, kapag nag-invite ka, kakaroon ka ng 0.01 and then i-successful sign up din, magkakaroon kayo ng 0.02. So, kikita din kayo dito guys kapag nakapag-invite kayo. Pero optional lang naman kapag pag nag-invite kayo. So, pwede kayong kumita rin kahit hindi kayo mag-invite. Okay, makikita nyo dito may leaderboard o lead and win. So, for the top 1, meron silang free dollar na $3 na ibinibigay. For top 2, $2, and then $1 for the top 3. So, yan. Win up to $6. So, top remaining. So, yan. Ayun yung top 1 nila. So, meron na kagad siyang $3 na free. So, ayan. So, kung kayo yung pinakamaraming tickets, so syempre makita nyo dito sa my wallet nyo, check nyo lang siya. So, ito makikita nyo yung balance, yung paid, yung pending. So, ayun yung kung paano mag-cash out dito guys. Ito, yan. So, yung yan. Like for example here, so we have here $44, 0.110, and then $250 paid, and then pending is $50. So, pwede kayong mag-cash out dito up to $50 guys. So, ganun lang kasimple kumita dito sa app na ito guys. Alright, so let me know in the comment section kung ano masasabi mo sa app na ito guys. So, magsusolve ka lang ng mga math, mag-watch ka ng video ads, and then you can earn extra income from this app. So, cash out daw nila dito is via PayPal account. So, make sure na meron kayong PayPal account dito. And then, napakadali lang naman gumawa ng account dito sa PayPal account. Okay, so download nyo lang naman siya. So, email ad lang ang kailangan doon. Alright, so thank you so much again for watching guys. And till next time, bye!